I'm going to share the #1 tool for healing your diastasis recti that you probably haven't heard of before. At the end of pregnancy, 100% of mothers have a gap down their linea alba or their midline because the baby and uterus is pushing out, separating those delicate tissues. Ideally, by 6 weeks postpartum, those delicate tissues have come together again, and the gap is less than 2 fingers at the belly button. Strengthening our deep inner core muscles is going to help pull those tissues together so that they can heal. When you're using this tool, it's important to breathe 360 degrees into your ribs, keeping your shoulders relaxed, and then on the exhale, you're going to activate your deep inner core muscles and bring it in. The tool that you can use that is very effective at strengthening those deep inner core muscles is called a breathing trainer. If you want to learn how to use a breathing trainer, I will link to a video right there.